Morning, everybody. Sorry to bring you the bad news, but the CPI numbers just came out, and they were horrendous. To give you an idea, this is the S&P chart, and coming, excuse me, coming into the number, we were up 34, and now we're down 70. Same situation with the Dow, was up about 250, now down 355. Nasdaq was up about 200, now down 278. The CPI number was much hotter than expected. In fact, CPI was expected in August to be down a tenth. It came in at up a tenth. Doesn't seem like much, but the year over year number was up 8.3 versus an estimate of 8. Food and energy, for those of us who don't drive or eat, up 6 tenths after an expectation of only 3 tenths. Um, and the year over year number there was 6.3 versus 5.9. These are really terrible numbers. It shows that even with a 25% drop in the price of gasoline, which everyone was kind of keying off of, means nothing. Didn't happen. Didn't have enough of an effect. The biggest effect, it seems, are wages. And there's nothing that the Fed can do about wages. And that idiot was here in Massachusetts yesterday, all optics, talking about John Kennedy's discussion and speech about going to the moon and that we're going to cure cancer. Like there's any issue whatsoever that the government could take credit for in something like curing cancer, which, yes, everybody wants it. And no, it's not happening fast. Okay. Also, I wanted to mention, I forgot yesterday that even with the market up as much as it was, the VIX was also up, which is not a great sign. And also, the IXU, which is the utility index, with stories abounding about people not being able to pay their energy bills here at home. The utilities IXU are sitting at a new all-time high. So we'll have to see what happens there. Oracle missed, not by much, and frankly, the Cerner, CERN, that they took over was a big help to the company. And after closing 77.08, up $1.17, it traded up to 78.60, up $1.52 from that. So pretty impressive. Also, Akaro, AKRO. This is a biotech, and they just finished and disclosed their phase 2B fibros treatment. And I'm guessing that they thought it was pretty good, considering that the stock closed at 12.27 yesterday, hit 27.30 this morning, and is 25.74, up 13.48 or 110%. Okay, let's just take yeah, we're still falling, still at the lows of the day. We may go back and close this gap between 40.11 and 40.22. I think it is. Yeah, for 40.22.50. And there's still support down here in the 39.80 to 39.50 area. But we'll have to see how that goes. Gold, which was up, reversed to the downside, now down 17. The silver is down 19. The grains, most were up, especially soybeans yesterday. They're a little bit higher today. But wheat, which was down, is also a little bit higher. Oil up 34 after being up $1.21 above this, so up $1.50. Nat gas is up another 6 cents. Copper is pretty much unchanged. The dollar was down at 107.67, now almost 109, now 109, on the interest rates collapsing on that number, on the CPI number. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It's going to be a tough day, but, who knows? Maybe we get another reversal. I'll be back later.